Today I'm going to show you how can you create GitHub repository using GitHub CLI command line interface. So for this you need to type these commands in your terminal: gh github repo repository create, and then you need to give a name to your repository. It could be anything, so I'm going to give my repo. It's just for demo purpose. It's a name for my repository, GitHub repository. Now it's asking the visibility. It could be public, repo, private, or internal. So I'm going to choose public. So this will create my repo in your current directory. Yes. Created repository. This command has created a repository on my GitHub account. I can access it using web browser also. Now it's asking, would you either like to create a local project for this repository also? So if I say yes, this will create a local project as well in my machine and initialize it. So if I type yes, you can see that there's my repo. This directory just created now. This has nothing but the getignore file and some other configurations. So you have successfully done it. That's all for now.